Okay, so this is turmeric and ginger with bioperine. Turmeric is a compound. Ginger, it's all natural and it's good for your anti-inflammatory. It's an anti-inflammatory. And if you take 3 of these per day, it should make you feel better. Now, it is cumulative, so you need to take it every day in order to feel any difference. And I recommend taking it at least every day for 30 days. This is a 30-day supply. You get 90 tablets because you can take 3 a day and you can take them all at one time. It's an all-natural product, and it tells you 3 capsules per daily. And it's all natural, and it's made by Nature's Branch, and you can go to their website at www.naturesbranch.com and you can read about it. And I've been taking it now for a couple of weeks, and I do feel a difference. I do have some bad knees, and it has helped. It has helped, make the muscles feel a little bit better around that area. So I definitely would recommend it. And, but like I said, don't expect to see a big change immediately. It's going to be a while. You're going to have to take it for a while in order to feel anything substantial. It is there's no real aftertaste or anything like that. It's made in the United States. There's no genetically modified ingredients in it. It's 100% pure and natural. So you really have nothing to lose by trying it. And it's great. Cheers.